In front of me is Blackview Tab 6, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same tile again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Location section. Lastly, click on this switcher next to Use Location to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!